Good morning, dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, I welcome you all to the math class. This is your first period of math. So, today the day is Friday and it is 3rd of September 2021. So, children, in today's class, we will do a new chapter, that is fraction from your mental maths book. Okay, unit 7, fraction. So all of you get ready with this chapter. So we have already done fractions in math step book, so you have learned many things about fractions. Yes, you have learned equivalent fractions, you have learned proper fraction. So what is fraction? When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called a fraction. Therefore, a fraction is a part of a whole. So when you divide a cake, yes, into equal halves, then each half you and your friends share. It is known as fraction. So fraction, it is a part of whole. In the first picture you can see that one, after that it is divided into two parts, so each part is half. After that it is divided into three parts, that is each part is 1/3. After that 1/4, 1/5, 1/6. In this way we will learn about fraction. So you can see a watermelon here. So first a watermelon, it is a whole watermelon. After that it is divided into two equal parts. So each part is 1/2. One watermelon is divided into four equal parts. So each part is 1/4. So we write it 1/4, or we call it quarter. See what we are going to do in today's class. So in today's class we will start with this. We have to take the shapes that are divided into halves, okay, and we have to color the 1/2 of each. After that we will write the fraction of the shaded picture. Then after we will do this question, we will do this problems. After that we will do number 5 and number 6. Number 5 is count the number of items in each set, and we have to write the fractions of the circled one, and you have to, next number 6, the fraction is given and you have to circle the parts to show the given fraction. So next we will do number 7 also. Match the shaded parts of each figure with the fraction. You have to match the shaded part with the fractions. So children, without any delay, let us proceed to our class now. So children, in this topic we have to take the shape that are divided into halves. You can easily determine this one, yes, and you have to color the 1/2 of each. I will just take the shape. Your home assignment is you will just color the shape. So first it is equally divided into half. Yes, first shape is circle, you can see. Second shape, it is not equally divided. Third shape is also not equally divided. Fourth shape is equally divided into half. So I am going to take it. Now take the shape that are divided into thirds. Color the 1/3 of each shape. So we just have to count the part 1, 2, 3. So yes, it is divided into third. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is divided into third. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is divided into third, and 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is also divided into third. So we are going to color it. Now next, okay children, I'm really sorry here the first part is not divided into equal, so we will not consider it as 1/3. Now next we have to take the shapes that are divided into quarters. So the first half is divided equally into 1/4. So 4 parts. So first half. So this next one, this is not equally divided. Number 2. Number 3 is also not equally divided, and number 4 is equally divided. So let us take this one. So let us move to the next question, children. What portion of each figure is shaded? Write the correct fraction in the shape provided. One has been done for you. So just you have to count the total first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 7, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. Yes, so 5 you will write in the numerator, and the shaded portion you will write in the denominator. That will be 5 by 1 to 8. 5 by 8. So you will write 5 by 8. You just write with your small handwriting so that it will fit in the box. Okay, 5 by 8. Next children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 3. Yes, 3 are shaded. So you will write 3 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. So in the same way, children, you will do D and E as your homework, because we have done this kind of sums in our math step already. Now determining parts of groups, write yes or no. There are questions, so determining the picture you have to write yes or no. Here are Mona's tomato. Are they equal of ripe and unripe tomato? So they have asked, is ripe tomato equal to unripe? So let us count the unripe tomato first. 1, 2, 3 and 4 unripe, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is equal. So here you will write yes. Y-E-S, yes. Okay. Next, here are Jahir's ears of corn. Are there equal numbers of shocked and unshocked ears of corn? What is the fraction of unshocked one? Here you can see that corns are there. Yes. So they are not equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shocked corn, and only 2 are unshocked corn. So out of 7 corn, only 2 are unshocked corn. So you have to write the fraction of unshocked one. So only 2 are unshocked corn. So write 2 in the numerator, and there are total 7 corns. So you will write 7 in the denominator. So hope you all have understood this one. Now next, look at this collection. Draw a circle to divide them equal of parts into halves. So first we will count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is there, so we will divide 4. Yes, because half of 8 is 4. So we will draw a circle. Next, into 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know that if you divide 9 by 3, that will be equal to 3. Yes, so 3 is a 1/3 of 3 is 1/3 of 9, so we will divide both into 3. Now next you will do this one. Here you have to divide how many fish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fish into 1/4. So if you divide 12 with 4, it will be 4. So 4 fish will make 1/4 of 12. So this is your homework. Next, children, look carefully at the picture. Circle all fish swimming towards right. So just circle all fish swimming towards right. So this fish is swimming towards right. This fish is swimming towards right. Rest, this fish is also swimming towards right. Yes, rest are swimming towards left. So there are total 8 fish. So what fraction of the fish is swimming towards right? So how many fishes are swimming towards right? 3 fishes out of 8 fishes. So we will write 3 out of 8. So hope till here it is clear to you people. Now here it is very easy. You have to count the number of items in each set. You have to write what fraction of the total is circle. Write your answer in the box. So you just have to count the circle one first. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries. Out of 6 strawberries, how many are circled? 2 are circled. So you will write 2 by 6. Okay. Here out of 4 cones, 3 cones are circled. So you will write 3 by 4. Here out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this is capsicum. These are capsicum. Out of 8 capsicum, 4 capsicums are circled. Yes, so you write 4 by 8, which is equivalent to 1 by 2. Okay, so in the same way here you have to circle the parts to show the given fraction. 4 by 6. So 4 by 6 means 4 parts you will circle out of 6 parts. Very easy. Yes, B and C you can do it yourself because it is very easy one. Now next, match the shaded parts of each figure with the fractions. So here you can see shaded parts of fraction you have to find out. So let us see first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So this will be, here we can write in small handwriting 2 by 7. So let us find 2 by 7 here. 2 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 2 by 7 here. Number 6 is 2 by 7. So we will match it with number 6, 2 by 7. Next, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. So this will be 4 by 9. You can write here 4 by 9. Yes, small 4 by 9, and you can match this 4 by 9. I can see it here in 9 number, Roman number 9. So this will be matched with 4 by 9. In the same way, number C, out of 6, only 1 is shaded. So it will be 1 out of 6. That is 1 by 6. So where is 1 by 6? It is in the first. So we will match it with 1 by 6. Next, children, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 18. Out of 18 parts, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. So can you see 5 by 18? Yes, 5 by 18 is here in number 3. So 5 by 18. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 16. Out of 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 upon 16. Out of 16 part, 9 parts are shaded. So we can easily see 9 by 16 is here. So you will match it with this one. Now F, G, H, I, you will do in the same manner and you will match it with the correct answer. So we will do till here. This is the first period. I will see you in the second period. Thank you everyone.